Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can sell stocks or shares on the Revolut app. So let's get started. So first off, once you open up your Revolut app, just go ahead and tap on the invest option right here. Now on the invest tab, you will be able to see all your current investments, that being the traditional finance investments like stocks, bonds or ETFs. Now once you're here on this section, you will be able to see your purchased assets. So I currently have purchased about €1 worth of Nvidia shares, and if you would like to know how you can buy stocks, you can watch the video in the upper right corner. And I will also link that video at the end of this video. So now to sell stocks or shares, you would just need to first tap on the stock or share that you would like to sell. So I will tap on Nvidia, and here you would be able to select the number of shares or the amount of shares that you would like to sell. So I will select sell all right here, and then just tap on preview or review. Now on the review screen, you will be able to see all the details related to this transaction. So the most important one is the fee right here, which is about 1 cent, that being $0.01. So once you checked out the details, you can just go ahead and tap on submit, and there we go. Now my order has been executed right away because the US market is opened, but if the US market is closed, you just need to wait until it opens up. So if I go back, now you can see that I've sold all my investments. And essentially guys, that's how you can sell stocks or shares on the Revolut app. Thank you for watching.